Aha nwo Quinette Ogochukwu Ohaya. And last time, agwara m unu onye ọwụla jụta ihe aha ya pụtara. Ọ bụrụ na ị maghị ihe aha gị pụtara, ị kwesịrị ịjụta. Ị kwesịrị ịjụta ihe aha gị pụtara. So, jisie ike jụta ihe aha gị pụtara. It means the meaning of your Igbo name. Because nna gị kpọ unu n'ofu n'ofu kịta. Onye ọwụla ga-agwa m ihe aha ya pụtara. And then kpọọ gị ịgwa m ihe ọ pụtara. Ọ bụrụ na ị maghị ya, then you have work to find out. You need to know the meaning of your name and be proud of it. Because every Igbo name has a meaning. Okay. So I'm going to be done Chetachi, even though Chetachi come now, but who Chetachi come over there. Kedahage. Chetachi, somebody says Chetachi with your brother. Who are you? Kedonyebo. You know, one nego. Are you two supposed to be in this class? You know what, Hage? Unmute. Everybody unmute yourself. You know what, Hage? The screen that says Chetachi. I'm asking you, what is your name?
Tremendo.
Are you supposed to be in this class? No.
Oh.
You're supposed to be in the beginner class. I didn't put you in the intermediate class, did I?
Oh.
Did I put you in the intermediate class?
No.
Okay, now you need to call up. So log out. This is not class for you. If you miss your beginner class, then go back to the video and view it because you will not understand anything in this class. So call out. I need you to log out. This is not for you. Okay, Dal. So, Imara na ino na class here. Now, who gave them tinyerege? Iko. Wopu onwoge. Gane bem tinyerege. Maka. Iga diko onye na. You know, see somebody staggering, somebody drunk. Staggering. It means it's like, everything is just going zigzag, you know, just like that. So, ndewo ni. Omako ndewo. Omenka. Omenka.
Ndewo no.
Ndewo. Omenka nwa kanaka obere nwa. Jishike. Jishike mụrụ nwa ọhụrụ. Ọ mụrụ nwa ọhụrụ. Chinemerem, Chinemerem Nwanze, gịnị nwa ọhụrụ?
Newborn baby.
Yes, nwa ọhụrụ pụtara newborn baby. Nwa ọhụrụ. So I know some of you would like to see how it's being spelled and everything. We're gonna do that. So today we're going to do more of interaction. And then after that, I'll put something on the screen and every one of you will read. Don't freak out. No, don't freak out. If you don't know it, that is okay. Okay, I'll be throwing in like English like this, but this class is mostly Igbo language. Okay, so I'm going to open a word here. So we're going to type. Okay, Nwahoro. Chinemerem Nwanze. I think I see Chinemerem. How many screens? Did you log in with how many screens? Or is it another person? I see another Chinemerem. Okay. So I'm going to share a screen with you so that you will see what I'm doing. Okay. All right. So newborn baby. Okay, make it big. Can you see the screen?
I don't know.
Yeah.
Onye ọbụla na-ahụ ya. Okay. Onye ọbụla na-ahụ ya. Even if I ask question in English, I want you to answer me in Igbo, please. Okay. So newborn baby. Means nwa, 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 nwa. I needed to see how I'm pronouncing it. I close my mouth. Nwa, ọhụrụ, nwa, ọhụrụ. That's how you pronounce it. Nwa, ọhụrụ. Okay. Nwa. Some people say nwa ọhụụ. depending on your dialect. So you can hear nwa oho or ohoro, depending on your dialect. Okay. Ifeanyi Nwanze, tell me, gwam, kedu nga a ga-etinye ntụpọ? Kedu ihe m dere na nwa ọhụrụ? Kedu nke enwere ike itinye ntụpọ ma ọ bụ mkpọm n'okpuru ya? Ifeanyi Nwanze, na ọhụrụ, anyị o kwesịrị itinye ntụpọ ma ọ bụ mkpọm n'okpuru ha?
You.
Ka ihe ikwu, ị ga-aza m na Igbo. Ifeanyi, kedu ebe isi anyị ga-etinye ntụpọ ma ọ bụ kpọm?
Amara m teacher ka you n'Igbo.
Okay, ị gara mụọ ihe alphabet n'Igbo. Alphabet. Mkpụrụ ọnụọgụgụ Igbo. Ọnụọgụgụ Igbo is the numbers. Mkpụrụ okwu Igbo wụ alphabet. You got over your alphabet. Did you go over your alphabet? If I in a boomerang. Did you go over your alphabet? If I. Yes or no? That's all I'm looking for in Igbo. If I your neighbor. I can't hear you. I'm looking at you. Ifeanyi. Iguru on ahịrịokwu Igbo gị. Alphabet. Why are you not talking?
Mba.
So why is it taking you all this time to say mba? You know, listen. I want everybody to relax, okay? Don't mind the way I speak. I want you to relax. Ifeanyi, don't be scared. All right? Feel free in this class. Maybe if you want me to tone down a little bit, I will do that. But I know you guys will understand. You guys are not, little kids that will freak out. No. I want you to relax. Feel free to say mba or yeah. If you don't know it, tell me you don't know it. Okay? Because I'm here to help you know what we are doing. So don't think that I will feel bad or I'll be angry if you say you don't know it. Now everybody unmute yourself unless if you have background noise, then you can unmute it. You can mute it. But if you don't have any background noise, please unmute. Because sometimes you forget that it's muted and you keep talking. So Ifeanyi, it's okay.
Yeah, I know me.
Dalo. So it's na getinye ntụpọ na okpuru you bụ u. Nwere ike isi u. Okay, so ọhụ. Okay, now the two U's anyị ga-etinye ntụpọ kwa ya. Okay, so onwe ebe ọzọ a ga-etinye ntụpọ. Nwere ebe ọzọ ị chere anyị ga-etinye kpọm. Okay, onwere chere na onwere ebe ọzọ anyị ga-etinye kpọm.
Ị ga-etinye n'okpuru O.
N'okpuru O, all the O's, yes. Hello, onye zara before gị za ajụjụ gị kwuo aha gị. Kedu onye zara kwuo aha gị?
Aha m bụ Kelechi Okoro.
Kelechi Okoro, ya Kelechi zatara ya. Ifeanyi, ị zatara ya mana asụsụ ofu ka ị nwetara. Mana anyị kwesịrị itinye etu o chiri were daa n'ọnụ. Anyị kwesịrị itinye ya n'okpuru all the O, because ihe o kwuru ọhụrụ. So we're supposed to say so. I'm using, guys, bear with me, I'm using a different computer. I didn't configure all the signs and how I can put it. Because my two computers this morning, in fact, my beginner class, we are like 20 minutes late. My computers, they didn't, the Zoom, all of a sudden, was just a big problem. I couldn't connect. And those two computers are the ones that I normally use. But this one, I don't use it. So I'm going to punctuate it later. and then send to you. So, but right now, I won't be able to because I did not configure this one. Okay, so, so, anyị kwesịrị inwe ntụpọ n'okpuru all the O's na okpuru all the U's, which is or. Okay. Let me see. Chioma, kedu ihe ị na-eme ugbu a?
Ana m na-eme the laundry.
Ana m eme laundry. Gịnị ka a na-eme na laundry? Kwesịrị ikwu ihe ime ka na laundry. Ọ bụghị na-eme laundry. Gịnị ka a na-ekwu ime laundry?
Amarum.
Ana m asụ laundry, isn't it where you wash your clothes?
Oh, yes. I didn't understand what you were asking.
Okay, so kwuo ya ma ọ bụrụ na ebe etu esi ekwu ya.
Ana m asa akwa.
Say it, don't shy away, say it.
Ana m asa akwa m.
Ana m asụ akwa m, ikwutere ya. Ụfọdụ ndị ga-asị ana m asa akwa m. Ana m asụ akwa m. Doing laundry, are you just washing clothes? I'm washing my clothes. Let's just make the sentence. I am washing my clothes. I will just make the sentence. I'm washing my clothes. Come on. I am washing my clothes. Oh my gosh. Okay. Anam, and that is you. Anam, asa. Some people will say aso. Anam aso, akwam. Kedukwa na onye ga-asa nke papa gị na mama gị, Chioma? Ọsọ nke gị ka ị na-asa, gịnị mere na ịsa gị nke papa gị na mama gị? Don't cry. I need you to say something.
I did, like, I don't know how to, I just said that I was washing my clothes, but I didn't know how to say I was washing everybody's clothes.
Now you know what, you know how to say, I am washing my clothes. Now, when I say, why didn't you watch your mom or your dad? Why are you washing only your own? What will you tell me? Just try something. Assuming you don't have another language to express yourself, you will be forced to say something. Gịnị mere na ịsaghị nke papa na mama gị? Just give me one reason. Anybody who can help Chioma, go on.
Maka achọghị m.
Maka na achọghị m. Gịnị bụ maka na achọghị m omenka?
Oh, aha bụ omenka.
What tell us the meaning? Maka na achọghị m. Gịnị bụ maka na achọghị m? Gịnị ka ọ pụtara omenka?
Oh, I said because I don't want to.
Yes, she's right. Dalo. So because I don't want to. Makana. See, you have to start, as we do this, you can also build your vocabulary. You can tell now makana means because. Makana means because. Because I don't want to. Because I didn't want to do it. Because I don't want to. Okay. Achọrọ m ka esie nri anyasị. Kelechi biko, ị nwere ike isi nri anyasị, Kelechi Okoro. Achọrọ m ka esie nri anyasị. Kelechi biko, ị nwere ike isi nri anyasị.
Enwere m ike isi nri asị.
Anyasị, can you say anyasị?
Anyasị.
Enwere m ike isi nri anyasị.
Enwere m ike isi nri asị.
Okay, Nnamdi, tell us what Kelechi said in English. Abe.
Ntindewo.
Ndewo. Gwa anyị ihe Kelechi kwuru.
Okay. Biko gụọ m ya ọzọ. Biko.
Enwere m ike isi nri anyasị ọ ihe Kelechi kwuru. Gịnị ka ọ pụtara?
He can ọzọ.
Enwere m ike isi nri anyasị.
He's able to cook some is food, but I don't know what that asi is there.
Okay, so enwere m ike anyasị means night now, dinner. Because I asked Kelechi, please, can you make dinner? Can you cook? And
Is there
said,
another
okay.
word? You know how we use dialect. Is there another word that we use?
So what is your dialect? How do you say, I may cook dinner? That's what Kelechi basically said. Enwere m ike, I might, I can.
I can.
Yeah, I might do it, I can. So how do you say it? Enwere m ike, I can do it, I can cook dinner. That's basically what he said. Enwere m ike, and you used it very well.
Dalo.
I may, I might.
Auntie, where am I?
I can, okay, I'm glad you asked.
Yeah, no longer. I not for dinner. Riabalo. That's my job.
There you go. Dalo. So anyase is also abane. Okay, I'm getting there. Abane. So who else? Tell me what your dialects, how they say it. How they say anyase or abane. Something instead of abale, they say, wait, let me finish. I can cook dinner. Dinner means nri anyase. Dinner is nri anyase or nri abane. Yes. Who's that? Madam, you're right. Nri abane or nri anyase. So, nri aba ne. Some people say aba, abale. Depending on your dialect, sometimes they put N and R and L, so it means dinner. But if you translate it, if you don't know the meaning of nri anyase or abane or abale, you might think some people will say, okay, nri anyase. It means like night food. That's when you interpret it that way, night food. But it's basically dinner because that's what you eat in the night. Okay, so dinner or supper. Some people call it supper. So it could be supper or dinner. So when ndị ọzọ na-asụ ya n'ụzọ dị iche, when ndị ọzọ na-asụ, like Chinemere said, in their dialect they use aban. And even though we say anyase, I want you to know that it's also it is okay for you to use your dialect. And if there's something you say, we would like to hear it, please. Anyase, abale, or abane. They all mean the same thing. Because achọrọ m ka a gaa chuo mmiri gbanye n'ite. Achọrọ m ka echute mmiri gbanye n'ite. Chidera ọhịa eri. Biko, kedu ihe m kwuru?
You want to warm something in a kettle.
Achọrọ m ka echute mmiri. Achọrọ m. Guys, we're going to back up and punctuate, but let's make these sentences first. Achorum. What is achorum?
I want to.
Onye kachielo onye na-emesa ganya. Achorum, good. Onye kachi, I'm coming back to you. Chidera, okay, I want to. Ha. Ega chute mmiri. Achọrọ ka ị gaa chute mmiri gbanye na ite. Okay, ngwa kedu ihe ọ pụtara? Chidera, achọrọ m ka ị gaa chute mmiri gbanye na ite.
I want you to bring water for the kettle.
I want you to go fetch water. We chute Shute means fetch. I want you to go fetch water and pour it in it, like in the pot. In the olden days, our forefathers, they don't have fridge. What they have is this clay pot, and it cools water. Oh my God. It cools water. When you get water, use a cup to get the water from the pot. And it's very cool, like it came out from the fridge. Because in the olden days, no water. You see that? Hey, baby Omenka. So they will want you to go, because those days there's no borehole. You have to go to the stream and fetch water. You have to go to the wood and fetch firewood. I believe your parents, we do like, I think in the next 2 weeks, the ending of this month, we have somebody coming up to tell us something about culture. So they're going to tell us all about this, because we don't do only just languages. Okay, so we do culture as well. So now I say, okay, Chineme, I want you to, Chibera, I got you 10 minutes, pot. So go fetch water and put it in the pot. So that's what it does. But these days, we don't do it anymore due to civilization. Okay, so ite. Ite means pot. Ite means pot. Okay, so this is the meaning. I want you, I don't know what's going on with my keyboard. Kiss me what I'm not typing. I want you to fetch water and pour in the pot. Okay, that's what we said. I want to ask somebody a question. Back up again. Onyekachi, kedu onye na-emegharị gị anya?
Oh,
Onyekachi
mama.
Nwanze.
Oh, mama.
Gịnị ka mama gị na-eme ebe ahụ?
Ọ nọ nke ahụ na-ama m njakịrị.
Na-ama gị njakịrị, ọ sịkwa na gịnị mere? I'm judging it. Come on. Ọ sị na gịnị mere?
Mba, ọ na...
Ọ sị na gịnị ka ọ sị? Gịnị ka o kwuru?
Ọ na-eme ihe na-atọ m ọchị. Amaghị m ihe ọ na-akụ, ọ na-eme m ọchị.
Okay, guys, good. Dalo Onyekachi, dalo. So I asked Onyekachi, who is distracting you? Okay, so let's type it. Who is distracting? And Onyekachi said, my mom is distracting me. You see that? So, and I asked, what is your mom doing there? Gịnị ka mama gị na-eme ebe ahụ? Onyekachi asked him that she's there. Ọ na-ama m njakịrị means she's joking, cracking joke. Ịma njakịrị. Okay, guys, I'm gonna type it because I know you want it. Okay. My mother is the one. Okay. Who is distracting you? My mother is the one. What is your mom doing there? Okay. She's here cracking jokes. So it's like she's Ima Njakre. Is anybody going to struggle to use that word? Because it sounds like Ima Njakre. Ima Njakre. Do you guys, everybody can say that?
Ima Njakre.
Yeah. Emma. Not in English. Okay, I want somebody to spell it for me. I'll call somebody now. Yeah, Kere. Adeze. Adeze ngwa. Achọrọ nke spell or Adeze eze monye.
Yes.
Njakịrị.
J.
If you don't, we haven't done spelling in Igbo, but you can spell it in English. But if you know how to spell it in Igbo, wait, so go ahead.
J.
Mm-hmm.
AKIRI.
Yay! All right. Okay. So like somebody making jokes. Making jokes. Okay. What is your mom doing there? Guinea. What? Guinea. Oh, Gina, maybe about what? What? So at least what? Supposed to know what it is. Okay. All right. Okay. It's my mother. My two brothers. Okay. Who is distracting you? Okay, that one. Get that vocabulary. Okay. I want somebody to do it. I'm not gonna. Emega regi anya. Emega regi. If you want to get your spelling, you want to get it correctly, you want to get it, break it in syllables. That's how you spell Igbo. Break that word, especially if it's a long one. Break it in syllables. So, bujisie bujisie. In syllables, ibuji ihe, bujie bujie. Break in syllables. Let me say that. I know it's a big word. Bu. Jia. Ebu. See how I'm spelling it? Bu. Jia. Ebuji. Bujiya ebuji. So I'm going to put bujiya ebuji. Some people say bujisiya. Bujisiya. It is the sentence. Bujisiya. It is the sentence. Break it. Break it in pieces. Just break it into pieces. Okay? Break it. Just break it. I say in different parts. Just syllables. Okay, so somebody. Onyena emegarege. Somebody emegare. Who will try? Or if you don't say anything, I call somebody. Onyeku ahage.
Achọrọ m eme ya.
Okay, ngwa omenka ngwanu. Emegare.
Bido gwa okwu ọzọ.
Emegare. Achọrọ m ka ịgwa ya etu esi ede ya. How to spell it.
Okay. Me. A. Re. E. Re. E.
Listen to it again. Emegare. Emegare.
Oh, sorry. A. Me. A. Re. A. Emega. Igi.
Emegare. No, emegare.
Okay. Re. E. G. E.
Yeah, emegare. Who is the one distracting you? Emegare is distraction. When you say distracting, emegare, depending on the content. So, onye na emegare, which is you. Anya. Kedu onye na emegare ga anya. You can also say onye na emegare. Who is the one distracting you? This is it. You gotta learn to build your language, your vocabulary. So, abịara m n'ụlọ unu. Wait a minute. I need to get somebody. I need to. Chinelo aka bụ eze. Abịara m n'ụlọ unu. Afọ gị, ebee ka ị gara?
Anọ m ụlọ.
You wanted to tell me you are at home.
Yes, sir.
Anọ m n'ụlọ. Okay. I told you I came to your house. I didn't see you. She said anọ m n'ụlọ. You see, but what I would like you to make your sentence, try to put more things. Like when I said that, you said better I'm at home. Mana anọ m n'ụlọ. Mana is but. I am at home. I was at home. But I was at home. Because I told you I came to the house, I didn't see you. Abịara m na ụlọ. Unu. Ahụghị gị. Now, some people, Chinemere, tell me your dialect, how you say I didn't see you.
I didn't see you.
How do you all say it in your dialect?
Ahụrụ gị.
Ahụrụ gị. So, you see, some people say ahụrụ gị, some people say ahụghị gị. Okay. Ahụghị m, gị. And then sometimes dialects say ahụrụ m, gị. So it is the same thing. Ahụrụ gị, ahụghị gị. Okay, so but then I kept your house, I didn't see you. So that's what it is. Abịara m. I came to your house. I didn't see you. Okay, Chinelotam said, I was at home. Oh, he's hungry. Okay. Who would tell me I was Chinemerem? He said, Anum. So whenever you're saying I, remember it's possessive. I want that M to come out. Anum nolo. Okay? So make sure it stands out. Okay. Anum. Now, olo. Okay, now we need to back up now because I want some people struggling with these vowels. I want everybody to get it before we can move on because it's gonna keep on climbing up from here now. Okay, so we're going to take these sentences and see the ones that we need to punctuate and what we don't need to do that. So, all right. Makana achogem. The acho. Are we supposed to punctuate the O? If you know, you say your name and tell me yes or no. Well, Nibo. The achoge.
Aha bụ Menka.
Okay, Menka. Kedu ihe mean kedu kwuru maka
I have to punctuate the O.
You're combining Igbo and English. No. Just try.
Anyị
ga-etinye.
Anyị ga-etinye.
Gịnị ka a na-akpọ point?
Kpọọ.
Anyị ga-etinye pom.
Oh, pom.
Okay, let me
Anyị
put it
ga-etinye pom.
Okay, so punctuation is pom or ma obu. Ma obu means or ma obu.
Okay.
Ntoko. Pom means the dot. That's what it is, the dot. Or ntoko. Pom ma obu. This thing you see here, ma obu. Alone is just O, which is O-R. Okay, so that's what it is. I want you to know the meaning. Ma-obu. I'll put it together so that I don't think that there are two words. Ma-obu. Ma-obu means O. Please don't forget. Okay. So, let's back up. Okay. Omenka zatara ya. Anyị ga-etinye ntụpọ n'okpuru. This is how you're supposed to answer the question. Let ị ga-eshi aza ya. Anyị ga-etinye ntụpọ. Ịchọkwana gị esi kpọm. Nke ọbụla dịrị gị mma ikwu. You can say ntụpọ, you can say kpọm. Anyị, and this is collective now. She's speaking on behalf of everybody there. Anyị ga-etinye ntụpọ n'okpuru. Okpuru means under. Na okpuru, that which means that O. It is not O because it's not regular. The one that is regular is the one is O, but this one is O, and that's why we should put ntụpọ. Okay, I get ntụpọ now. Okay. Ana m asa, ana m asụ akwa m. Kedu onye ga-emere anyị the second line? Ana m asụ akwa m. Uwe aha gị ga-egwa anyị ma anyị ọ ga-etinye ntụpọ ma ọ na anyị agaghị etinye ntụpọ.
Asụ.
Onye na-ekwunu uwe aha gị.
Aha m bụ Chelotam Akabwez.
Make the sentence. Anyị ọ ga-etinye kpọm n'okpuru. I'm not going to pronounce it because in okpuru, the word asụ.
Can you say it again?
Anyị ọ ga-etinye ntụpọ. Whenever anyị ga-etinye ntụpọ na ana m asụ akwa m.
Then kapa.
Ị ghọtara ihe m jụrụ gị?
Mba.
Okay. Kedu onye ga-enyere Chielota m aka? Kedu onye ga-agwa anyị ma anyị ọ ga-etinye ntụpọ ma na anyị agaghị etinye?
Aha m bụ Kelechi Okoro.
Kelechi ngwanụ, daalụ.
A ga-etinye ntụpọ n'okpuru U.
Daalụ, Kelechi zatara ya. Anyị ga-etinye kpọm n'okpuru U. Ọ bụrụzie O maka ihe ị nụrụ wụ asụ. O. You didn't hear asu. If you hear U, then no dot. But if you hear O, you should dot it. O. Gị tinye ntụpọ. Ma ị nụ U, ị gaghị etinye ntụpọ. Anyị ga-etinye kpọm n'okpuru U to make it O. Ọ bụrụzie, so itinye ntụpọ n'okpuru U, ọ bụrụzie O. Daalụ Kelechi. Okay, going on here. Enwere m ike isi nri anyasị. Okay, o nwere ihe kwesịrị o nwere nga anyị kwesịrị itinye ntụpọ n'ahịrịokwu a n'ebe a. Enwere m ike, I can cook dinner. Na nke Igbo, o nwere anyị kwesịrị itinye ntụpọ, onye ma ya zaa. O nwere ebe anyị kwesịrị itinye ntụpọ n'okwu ndị a n'ebe a. Kedu onye na-ekwu na Omenka?
Mba.
O nwere onye ọzọ chere na a ga-etinye ntụpọ ka ọ na-enweghị? Ka anyị gawa n'ihu.
Mba. There's nothing to punctuate there.
You have to say that there's nothing to punctuate in Igbo.
Ọ bụghị ife na-etinyere kpọm.
Onweghị ebe a ga-etinye ntụpọ. Onweghị ebe a ga-etinye ntụpọ. That's what you're supposed to say. Onweghị ebe a ga-etinye ntụpọ.
Enweghị ebe a ga-etinyere ntụpọ.
Etinye. Okay, ka m ede ya.
Etinye ntụpọ.
Okay, ka m ede ya. O nwere onye ọzọ chere na o nwere ebe a ga-etinye ntụpọ? Okay. Then, o nwere ebe a ga-etinye ntụpọ?
O nwere a ga-etinye ntụpọ.
O nwere ebe a ga-etinye, Kelechi ma ebe a ga-etinye ntụpọ?
A ga-etinye n'okpuru I.
N'okpuru gịnị?
I.
A is A. Because the first I is A, which is light, no dot, but it's supposed to be A, which is heavy one. And Kelechi is at Raya. I need for 3 seniors. Okay, this is the clue. Remember what I told you guys? I'm going to say it in English because I want you to understand. I'm not supposed to. Anyase. The A group of vowels. A started this word.
Oh.
You see that? That's one clue. Another clue is the sound. But in this case, you'll be confused. Sometimes it's so confused to know if there's no clue there. But in this case, we have a clue. So the A is our clue. So there should be a dot. Anyị kwesịrị itinye ntụpọ. So Omeka, enwere ebe a ga-etinye ntụpọ. Varsity. Enweghị ebe a ga-etinye ntụpọ. You get it? So I'm going to write it down here. Enwere ebe a ga-etinye ntụpọ. Okay, so it means there is a place to put a dot. There is a place to put a dot. I'm not gonna write it in English. If you want, you can do that one. Then the other one is enwege means there is no. You see that? Enwege, and this is what you do when you come to this enwere. So let me do copy and paste here. What I'm talking about. Now, this enwere ebe a ga-etinye ntụpọ. You're going to remove R and E and replace it with what? Enwege. What? Tell me the 3 letters we're supposed to replace them. Maya.
I think it's GHI, right?
Yes, I get GHI to make it negative. There's no place to put dot. And wage. So what we do, we eliminate this ER. I want you to pay attention. If you don't pay attention, we think that, oh, that's something else. But this is easy. Remove the R and E. When you're trying to say there is no place versus there is. Enwere, enwege, enwere, enwege. There will be a time we do that with words, phrases. Okay. Enwege. So I'm going to get rid of RE and put GHI. Enwege, ebe, age, ntụpọ. It means there's no place to dot there. There's no letter. So you can write the meaning of it yourself. Okay. Okay, I need to get to some people that I haven't mentioned their name. Chukwuemeka. Chukwuemeka, ebe ka ị nọ?
Hello?
Chukwuemeka, ebe ka ị nọ?
I'm here.
Because I'm not Igbo. Chukwuemeka, ebe ka ị nọ?
Na palọ.
Gịnị ka ị na-eme na palọ?
Na Zoom.
Ị nọ na Zoom. Gịnị ka ị na-emekwa na Zoom?
Ụlọ akụkọ.
Okay, ị nọ ọmụmụ ihe. Ọmụmụ ihe means you're learning, so that you're taking a lesson. Ọmụmụ ihe. Ọmụmụ ihe. Achọrọ m onye ga-agwa anyị etu esi ede ọmụmụ ihe. Amarachi Ọhaya. Kedu etu ị ga-esi ede ọmụmụ ihe? Lesson. Lesson means ọmụmụ ihe. Kedu Amarachi Maya? Amarachi ọ nọ ebe a? Okay. Nwere onye gị na ya nọ ebe ahụ, Amarachi? Amarachi.
Mba.
Okay, stop muting. Everybody on mute, except if you have a background noise. Amarachi, no more muting yourself. Unmute. Gini na eme gị Amarachi? Gini na eme gị?
I don't know how to say nothing.
You have to say, okay, don't you make it say nothing. Don't you make it say nothing. Don't you make it say nothing na class ya ya gwa anyị.
What did he name ya?
Onwe gị, yes. Kedu onye kwuru ya?
Yeah, Kachi.
Onye kachi daalụ. Onwe gị. See, we keep on saying this GHI. Anastasia. Ị gara akwụkwọ ụnyaahụ? Ị gara akwụkwọ ụnyaahụ? Anastasia.
Agara m akwụkwọ.
Unu ọmụkwara n'ihe ofuma n'ụlọ akwụkwọ? Ihe dị ka gịnị ka unu mụrụ ụnyaahụ? Ọtụgodu m ofu ihe unu mere ụnyaahụ.
Amụrụ I don't know how to say like math.
Just I want you to make a sentence. It's okay to call it math.
Okay. Amụrụ math na n'ụlọ akwụkwọ.
Tell me we instead of singular, instead of I.
Okay, anyị mụrụ math na n'ụlọ akwụkwọ.
Math. Okay, good. Anyị mụrụ etu esi agbakọ na mwepụ. Mgbakọ na mwepụ. That's how they used to refer to it. Mgbakọ na mwepụ means add and subtract. That's how they refer to it. Okay, daalụ. Kedu onye ana m echekwa onye ga-agwa m etu esi ede ọmụmụ ihe? Amaka Levon, kedu ka ị mere?
Adị mma.
Kedu ka ụbọchị gị dị? Kedu ka ụbọchị si aga Amaka? Kedu onye ga-enyere Amaka? Who will tell Amaka what I said?
How's your day going?
How is your day going, Amaka? Can you tell us in Igbo?
How is my day going?
Yeah, tell us how to say. Answer me in Igbo.
Answer you in Igbo.
Okay, kedu onye ga-enye aka gwa za ya? Kedu onye ga-enyere Amaka aka? Who will help Amaka?
Ọ na-aga ọfụma.
Ọ na-aga ọfụma. I want you to use the word ụbọchị. Ụbọchị m na-aga ọfụma.
Ụbọchị na.
Ụbọchị m na-aga ọfụma.
Ụbọchị na-aga ọfụma.
Again, ụbọchị m na-aga ọfụma.
Ụbọchị m na-aga
ọfụma.
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 Ụbọchị m na-aga ọfụma.
Now, ọfụma. Look at my mouth, Amaka. Ọfụma. Ọfụma.
Ọfụma.
Yes. Ọfụma. Yes. My day is going well.
Ụbọchị na-aga ọfụma.
Yes. So that's why I said, but if you want to say this is present, okay, it's happening, it's continuing now. But my day went well. That's past tense. Ụbọchị ga-aga ọfụma. My day will go well. We get to past tense, present, participle, continuous, and so on. But I want you to know the different ways to say it, okay? Okay, let's do that. And then after that, ask questions. Ụbọchị.
Ụbọchị.
ga
Auntie,
aga.
I'm not seeing your writing.
Okay, do you see it now?
No.
Are you looking at the screen? Can every other person see it? Can all of you see it? Okay, Levon, can you now? Levon, isn't it? It's not big enough.
Yeah.
Okay,
No, you can see it.
It was showing before and then it stopped. I don't know what happened.
I think it's from your screen. Check your screen. If everybody can see it and you cannot, I think it has something to do with your screen. I will make it big to make sure. Okay. Can you see it now? I think it has something to do. You did something. Press something. Go back to the class. That's why. I think you clicked somewhere. You still can't see it? It's okay. I will post the note.
Okay.
So I'm trying to do like past tense, okay? Ubochinga, no, the future tense. Ubochinga aga ofuma. That is future tense. My day will go well. Future. Ubochim na go ofuma. It's happening. You see that? Ubochim gara ofuma.
Mommy's here.
Mommy is not here. Leave him alone, Uche. Kelechi. It's all right. Ụbọchị m gara ofuma. My day went well. This is past tense. Okay, now, floor is open. Question. We're going to stop here today. And I'm going to send a paragraph. And then I will make you make your own paragraph. I will not punctuate it. One will be in English for you to translate and punctuate. One will be for you to read when you come to the class. And that one will come 2 days to the time for the class. Because I don't want you to have a week reading and memorizing. No, I want to challenge you and I want you to learn. So I will send one that you're going to translate to Igbo and punctuate. And then another one will come on Thursday. Well, let me make it Friday to give you 3 days. Just challenge yourself. That's what I want to do. And that's how I want you to learn. Trust me, you're going to learn. So I'm going to send that paragraph and you will read it. I will divide it according to, if you know you're not in the intermediate platform, please send me your number. Because I want to make sure that when I say this is for you, everybody's not going to get the sentence. I'll divide it into maybe 3 groups and give you your own to do. But you read individually when you come to class. So that will be the assignment. But this one, I still want you to, I will punctuate what we did today to help you out. So, the floor is open. I'm waiting.
Okay. So this Enwerem, yeah? And then you have Enwere.
Enwerem, yeah, means I have it.
But that Enwere.
Enwegem.
But then you have.
Enwegem means I don't have it.
Yes, but my question is studying between.
Nnamdi, your this one has glitches. We can't hear you. Check your Wi-Fi. Your Wi-Fi is low. Can't hear you.
Can you hear me?
Yes, we can hear you. Now go on. Where's there?
Okay.
Ndị niile a na-achọ ka m hụ ihu ha anya.
Okay.
Onye ọbụla achọrọ m ihu ihu gị anya o. Onye ọbụla, everybody. Onye ọbụla means everybody. You're looking good. Please, I just want to look at you and ask you a question. Okay, Nnamdi, ngwa.
Okay.
Nobody's getting off the class. I know it's time. Don't get up. Please.
Okay. Kedu ihe dị iche na enwere and enwere, like if there is something and then I have. I don't see a difference in the spelling.
I'm still having problem understanding. Can somebody, did ever, because your this thing is still shaking. Does anybody understand his question? Okay, Onyeka, chicken kokuru.
I'm not seeing the difference between enwere, like there is, and awerem, like I have.
The difference between I have and what?
And like there is, like enwere.
Oh, there is, and I have.
Yes.
Okay. Enwerem versus enwere. Now, you're for instance, Nnamdi, you're asking me a question. Do you know where I can find a subway around here? Then I will tell you, there is one. When you go to I-85, you see that? Enwere ya, enwere. You're trying to tell somebody there is something. Enwere ya ebe dị etu a. That you will find it in so and so place. I give you a landmark. Versus telling you, when you ask me, please, do you have the textbook? What we went over in the class today, I want to read. I said, yes. Nande, enwere m ya, enwere m akwụkwọ. It depends on the content.
But is this
Go ahead.
It's spelled the same way, right? That's my question.
Yes, it's spelled the same way, but when you're trying to say you have something, versus
it's context. I know it's context. I just want to know if it's spelled the same way.
Okay, yes, you're right. Yes, it's spelled the same way. Yes.
Okay,
yeah, that's the same way. Good.
Yeah.
Daalụ. Imeela. Kedu onye ọzọ nwere ajụjụ? Okay, aga m akpọ aha. Achọrọ m before anyị na-apụ, achọrọ m ka onye ọbụla mkpọ gị aha ikwu ofu ihe n'Igbo. M ga-ekwu ya na English, ga-egwa m ihe ọwụ na Igbo. Amarachi Ọhaya. Gwa anyị, tell us that my dad is at work. Everybody unmute because you might be talking, forget that you didn't unmute yourself. Amarachi, fast. We need to close. I have another class. I have class 3:30, so we have to finish before in the next 10 minutes. Amarachi, tell us my dad went to work.
Papa m gara ọrụ.
Okay. Kedu oge ọ na-alọta?
Ebe 3:30.
Ọ ga-alọta na nkejiri atọ, o jiri ọkara gaa nkejiri atọ. We will do times. We're going to do times. It's okay. We do times. Okay, daalụ Amarachi. Uche Hara. Kedu onye nọ gị n'akụkụ? Oh gosh, I'm supposed to say it in English. Okay, I cancel that one. Yeah, Kelechi Okoro is laughing at me. Uche Hara. Who is leaving your house? Who is leaving? I give you 10 seconds to answer. I don't answer, I move on. Uche, who is leaving your house? Chukwuemeka, who is leaving your house?
Who's what? I can't really hear you.
Who is leaving? Somebody is leaving your house. Who is that person? Who is leaving?
Do I answer in Igbo?
Of course. Just try means
Mama.
I see somebody leaving. Who is leaving?
Mama. I don't know how to say that.
Okay, Anastasia.
I have it in my head, but I just can't say
it. It's okay. It's all right. Anastasia, help out. Nerayaka. Who is leaving your house?
Mama na-apụ n'ụlọ.
Ebe ka mama gị na-agakwa?
Ọ na-aga na market.
Market wụ ahịa. Ọ na-aga ahịa.
Onaga nahia.
Onaga ahia.
Ahia.
I want you to make the sentence. Onaga ahia.
Onaga ahia.
Oh, because why has utakwara makara? Oh. No. Is yes. It's supposed to say oh, which is okay. So know the difference. Dalo. Chioma. Call me to come and join you in cooking tonight.
Yeah.
Okay, now. Chioma.
Auntie, I can't hear you.
Okay, can you hear me now, Chioma? Can you hear me now?
Yes, I can hear you now.
Okay, kam sorogi nri anyase. Nri abani.
Biesi nri anyasi.
I told you to call me to join you in cooking dinner. Ega bom Chioma. Ega bom. What did I ask you?
Am I going to call you?
Okay. Okay, iriwa kwanu ya ega bom kam sorogi rie.
No. Mba.
Gini mere na ega bom? I asked her when she's eating, will she call me to join? She said no. So I said, why? So gini mere na ega bom. Okay, Chidera ohieri. Gini mere na ega bom kam sorogi rie nri. Chidera o mepe ihe okwu gị. Chidera ohieri. Gini mere na ega bom. Why won't you call me to join you to eat with you? I want you to answer in Igbo. Gini mere na ega bom. I want to see people trying. This is not a matter of being perfect, no, because I do not. No, I'm not expecting you guys to know everything. Just try, then I will help you out. I want to see people making the effort. That's all I'm looking for. Just try. Nobody's laughing at. Even if everybody's laughing, don't worry about us. Just don't worry, even if we are giggling and laughing. That's how we learn. Okay,
Can you repeat that?
Why won't you call me to join you, to eat with you?
I don't know if this is the right way, but I'm
Just say it, it doesn't matter. Huh?
I'm akwụkwọ.
Ana m agụ akwụkwọ.
Yeah.
Okay, you told me that because you're stingy. When you tell me you are eating, I just say, why won't you call me to join you to eat? You're telling me you're reading, which means you don't want to share with me. So you're a stingy person. Now I go to another person. Oh, Menka,
maka ezinụlọ m enweghị nri ukwu.
So what are you trying to say it in English?
I was trying to say because my family doesn't have a lot of food.
I know. So she's trying to tell us that it won't be enough for the family. Makana ogagi ezurumu na ezinulom. Makana. It won't be enough for me and my family. Now, this is how you say in Igbo. But thank you for trying. That's all I'm looking for, guys. I want you to make the effort, please. Makana ogagi ezurumu na Ezina means family. Ogagi means it won't be.
Ogagi.
Ezrum means enough. It won't be enough for me and my family. Dalo. Chinemeram. Can you jinele kwanu manya etua?
Madam na nwere otem shelega ya.
Mana na melega anya mana ihurum o ihugim.
Ya hurum gị.
Gịnị ka ị na-elekwara anụ m biko?
Ana m ele maka ị na-ekeji ebu nkeji.
Oh, ngwa na ana m elekwa gị maka na ị mara ezigbo mma.
Dalo.
Hey, Mela. Did you understand? Okay, I said, why are you looking at me like that? She said, well, she didn't even know that she was looking at me. I said, yeah, but I said, you are looking at me. I said, okay, because I'm teaching her. I said, okay, I'm looking at her too because she's so pretty. And she said, thank you. That's the conversation I'm looking for. Just try. Now, blessing. Uchehara. Kadabigara. Blessing. Kadabigara. Chelotamakabeze. Kadi ebigara. It means, where did you go? Just try to say something in Igbo. Make up something. Kedu ebe ka ị gara or kedu ebe ị gara? Or some people will say kedu ebe ị jere. Kedu ebe ị jere ma ọ bụ kedu ebe ị gara. Or they can say ebe ka ị gara. So many ways. Agaram.
Sorry. Agaram akwụkwọ.
It means I went to school. Agaram akwụkwọ. Daalụ. Ifeanyi. Okay. Ifeanyi. Onye nọ gị n'azụ?
What onye nọ n'azụ?
Legodo anya n'azụ gị. Dịka isi ma na onwe onye nọ gị n'azụ. Kedu etu isi ma na onwe onye nọ gị n'azụ, Ifeanyi?
Nke a lara m n'azụ sọsọ ihe m hụrụ wụ room.
Okay. Room means ime ụlọ. Maka na elere because maka na elere m anya n'azụ. I look behind me. The only thing I can see is my room. Sọsọ ihe m hụrụ wụ ime ụlọ m. Ime ụlọ m. Daalụ. Chidera, gịnị na-atọ gị amụ? Chidera Ohieri. Gịnị na-atọ gị amụ? Did I ask you a question before, Chidera?
Yes.
Okay, sorry. Adeze, did I ask you? I'm going line by line. I did? Onye kachi ajụgo nga ajụjụ?
Mba.
Aha! Okay, onye kachi. Gịnị ka nwanne gị mere iji na-akụ ya ihe?
Ọ naghị ege ntị.
Onye si na ọ naghị ege ntị. Ị bụ mama ya? Come on.
Ọ na-ege ntị ọfụma.
Mama gị si na ọ naghị ege ntị.
Mba.
Kedu onye kwuru?
Oh, me. Achọsọ m ọ na-ege ntị.
Akwụkwala ya ihe ọzọ nere ihe m na-ekwu. Now, guys, get it. Is what? Yes. Oh, when you want to say okay. Oh, it is not the same thing as yes. So use it at the right time. Okay. Kedu onye m na-ajụ Kelechi ajụrụ nga ajụjụ Kelechi Okoro?
No. Mba.
Okay. Hey, Kelechi. Onye ọkwanụ nwaanyị ọma ahụ nọ gị n'azụ?
Nwaanyị ọma nwụrụ nwunye m.
Oh, nwunye gị. Nwaanyị ọma, ndewo.
Ọ na-ekele unu.
Aha. Biko, o shikwere gị nri taa?
Biko, kọọ ya ọzọ.
O shikwere gị nri tata?
Mba.
O shi gị nri?
Not yet.
Gịnị wụkwanụ nsogbu? Gịnị wụ iwe ya?
Ọ dịghị ewe iwe.
Okay, gwa ya na biko, si ya na m si ya shiere gị nri taa, ezigbo nri. Achọrọ m ka ile ya anya, gwa ya si ya na m siri ya shiekwara gị ezigbo nri tata. So kedu onye na-ajụbe? Nnamdi ajụgo gị ajụjụ?
Ijugo.
Okay, Chinemere m ajụgo gị? Mba.
No, you didn't ask me.
Oh, ajụbe gị?
I don't know how to is.
Oh, Nnamdi. Kedu onye wepụrụ ihe m dewe n'elu tebụl? Pay attention. I didn't say table. I said teburu. Teburu. You spell it differently. Kedu onye wepụrụ ihe m dewe n'elu tebụl? First of all, what did I ask?
You said somebody who took something off your, I don't know what that. You said table. It's not table.
Teburu.
Table.
It's table, but you pronounce it in Igbo way. It's teburu.
Oh, table. Okay.
Kedu onye wepụrụ ihe ndewere n'elu tebụl Nnamdi? Chukwuemeka nyere ya aka.
Amaghị m.
Daalụ. Ịzatara ya.
Anọ m ụlọ m.
Anọ n'ime ụlọ m.
Anọ n'ime.
Na break slogan. Anọ m n'ime ụlọ m.
Anọ.
No, you have to put the M. Anọ m.
Anọ m.
N'ime ụlọ m.
N'ime ụlọ m.
Yes, so if your dialect is Uno, you can say Uno. Yeah, okay. So people, they say it differently. Oh, well, you know what? Did I miss anybody? If you know you didn't get to talk, if you know you didn't get to talk, tell me, please. I don't want to miss anybody. But if you did, I'm going to call you izu ọzọ. Mana aga m ezitere unu ihe ndị unu ga-eme. Onye nwere ajụjụ ya echezokwala ịjụ m ajụjụ. Nzite ya, ịgụchaa ya ma ịghọtaghị ya, biko zitere m ozi, jụọ m, sị m biko lekwa ihe ndị a na ọ gbagwojuru m anya. Ọ gbagwojuru m anya means I didn't understand it. Okay? So please ask questions. You don't ask questions, you continue to make mistakes. I am busy quite all right, but please ask me a question. I will surely get to you. I will surely answer you, okay? So, unu jishike, aga m ahụ unu izu ọzọ na anụla. Kelechi gịnị ka m kwuru?
That you'll see us next week.
Okay. Ngwa ka ọ dị no. No. Somebody, it's not supposed to be called. When I say called, what are you supposed to say?
Kamesiao.
Called Kachipo. It's like when I say Kachipo, get some called. So called no. Kamesiao. Okay, bye guys.
Hello. Bye.
Okay, so stop sharing.